This year, we want to thank you more than ever. Thank you for being there with us during a year full of successes. You have helped us exceed our goals. Thank you for trusting us and accompanying us throughout all our adventures, making this dream possible for more than 20 years. All of this would not be possible without you. Thanks to the maintenance team for not seeing problems but solutions and always being available 24/7. Thanks to the commercial department for your continuous client support and making our customers feel at home. Thanks to the instructors for their hard work and their attention and care towards the students. Thanks to the financial department for making the balance always positive. Thanks to the training and planning department for their attention to detail and making sure that everything goes according to plan. Thanks to CMS for making sure that all the cogs in the GTA wheel run smoothly. Thanks to management and partners for continuing to do their part in helping so many people. Thank you. Global Training Aviation.
Merry Christmas from GTA.